Hey y'all, it's your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. And when I tell y'all this video got me feeling myself, these dresses got me feeling so confident, so beautiful, so gorgeous. Let me just tell y'all, go get cute, look in the mirror, and just tell yourself all the beautiful, gorgeous things that you want to hear. Do not depend on no one else to bring you happiness, peace, or joy. That comes from you and it comes from within you. Whatever it takes to create that and have that in your life, you got to do it. You got to do it. So today we are in JCPenney. JCPenney, yeah, yes, your girl is in JCPenney. I have not shopped here in a long time, and I'm trying to figure out why I stopped because y'all, I loved their selection. They have plus size clothing, they have children clothing, they carry infants, they have housewares. If you're looking for toys, if you're looking for like sports attire, jerseys, um everything, JCPenney has it all. So stay tuned and watch the full video. Okay, glam crew, first thing first, there will be no body shaming on my channel. It's sad that I almost have to say this on every video, but I just want to get it clear because I have a lot of new subscribers. I want to let y'all know everybody is different and everybody deserves love. Everybody deserves respect. And everybody deserves to be appreciated. And that is what my channel is all about. If you are here to be negative or anything else, please stop watching and move away. We are continuing the search looking for my birthday dress. I still have not found what I want to wear to celebrate my day. And usually I do so much throughout the year. I really do not take the time out to celebrate my birthday. So this year I am just going to take a moment to reflect and celebrate me. And I suggest you try that too for yourself. Even if it's not your birthday, just take a day, some time to celebrate yourself and reflect on all that you have accomplished, whether that's something big, something small. You should be proud of whatever you have done. Because every day, let me tell you, every day is not going to be an easy day. I have had some really rough days and I'm still working on healing from those rough days. So just try and appreciate yourself when you can, where you can. Let's continue and get into this video. I am at JCPenney, and for reference, I am 5'8", pretty tall. I think I'm tall. What do you all think? Am I tall? I think for a girl, because I'm usually the tall person out of all of my friends. And I am 230 pounds. I recently lost some weight and I have been really good at maintaining it. And I am a 36 double D. My waist is 33 inches and my hips are 55 inches. So I am typically a little wider on the bottom, which as you see here, I got my granny panties on. Okay, y'all, don't come at me crazy in the comments. I have granny panties, all right? You know, just something comfortable to have on and, you know, just smile. Anyhow, I have to cut them on the side because my hips are too wide, or else I have to get my panties like 3 sizes too big or go without. So, yeah, that's what we got going on here. It is what it is. This was like a last minute, let me stop in JCPenney and see what I can find. And let me tell y'all, I found some cute items. We're going to go into details about how they fit and feel. And this video actually turned my camera a different type of way. And so I apologize if it's cut off somewhat. I started recording, y'all, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So these first two dresses that I tried on that I'm showing right here, I did not get those in the video. And this one just looked at too plastic. Like, it's a pleather dress, and the leather was not giving leather. It was giving, I don't know, something off the streets. Yuck. And the first one was really thick, and it had the nerve to be like $100-something. And it gave me grandma vibes. So yeah, we are going to now try on this one. It's sleeveless. It's by a company called Premier Amour. And I think I read somewhere this is like not Jessica Simpson, but it's another plus size model, Ashley maybe. Is it the one that dated Lil Wayne? There's a plus size model, and I believe this is like her clothing line. And when I tell you these dresses, the material is perfect. It's not giving grandma. It has a underslip that has you covered, and it's going to show off those curves just right. It has the cinching on the sides where, you know, if you do got a little mommy tummy going on, it's going to like smooth it out. So just look at how gorgeous this fits me, y'all. Look at how gorgeous. So I'm loving it. And these were on clearance, I believe, or they were on sale. Instead of the price, the tag was like $68 or $89. It was like maybe 50 something. But I went online to try and find it in a smaller size because in the store they only had 16, 14, and an 8. And I think a size 12 or 10 would fit perfect because I want it just a little bit fitted so my waist can just really sit in. Bow, bow, bow. Yeah. When I try on dresses, y'all know how I do. I got to make sure I can move, groove, and do everything. And most importantly, y'all know I got a wild son. I have to be able to jump up at any moment and go chase after my boy. So when I'm trying on clothes and dresses, it has to look good, be comfortable, make me feel confident, but also allow me the freedom to turn into a track star so I can go get my child, okay? That's just my life right now. That is just my life right now, Glam Crew. There's no sugar coating it over here. All right. But let me know in the comments what you think about this dress. I am in love with it. I tried to find it online in a store around me, and there's a store a little farther out. I just might drive out and get it. Got a few more days to decide, but let me know in the comments if it is going to be the tan floral dress or look at this, y'all. Ooh! Look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay, so this brown cheetah print, leopard print. So I told y'all I want to do like brown, beige, nude, cream color scheme for my birthday. I'm not sure if either of these dresses necessarily go with the color scheme, but because I am the birthday person, I can choose to be out of the color scheme and have a little bit of pattern going on, just a little bit, right? Right, y'all? What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments right now. This cheetah print, leopard print, zebra prints, work it, work it, work it. It has a hidden zipper in the back, and the zipper was pretty easy to get up and down on my own. And also what I love about this dress as well is it has a hidden slip under it like the first dress, and it gives you that extra coverage while still allowing you to have a seductive look. So you don't gotta be out looking sleazy. You can still look seductive and sassy and give a classy look without giving scandalous. Mm, mm, mm. My. I was I was stunned, y'all. I was just in the mirror like, oh my God, I am beautiful. Like, and then with the braids, what y'all think about the braids? Yeah, what y'all think? So both of these dresses reached my ankles. And like I said, I'm 5'8". So if you are looking for a dress that is long and still seductive, go check out Premier Amour at JCPenney. Go check them out. Go shop online. If you have a similar body type as me, I think a size 12 would be perfect. If you got a little bit of a tummy, a size 14 is going to be perfect. And it has a lot of stretch. So you don't have to worry about it being tight and looking like rolling up and looking bad. It's not going to give that effect at all. And honestly, I don't think you need a shaper under this because of how the design is. Like, a shaper is not going to help. This dress looks amazing. Amazing. Now, if you're one of them people who don't like your arms out too much, just go ahead and put you on a little jacket, a little shawl. And of course, I got to dance and make sure it's going to fit right. I love how it looks. So what's it gonna be? Get in the comments right now. Drop down which dress you think I should get. I really need help deciding. Are we going with the animal print or are we going with the floral print? Let me know in the comments, Glam Crew. And what other stores would you suggest I try? Thank you for watching. Oh wait, I still got more to talk about. I got another dress. What am I doing? But yeah, continue to watch. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. A lot of you all watch, but you're not subscribed. So please go subscribe. And if you would like to see me do lingerie try-on hauls, join my Elite VIP membership here on YouTube. I do live lingerie try-on hauls, and you will have access to direct messaging with me. Okay? So if you want some exclusive perks with your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher, then join the Elite VIP membership. Now, this dress right here is looking really cute. Remember my last video? I had a sparkly dress like this and I loved it. This one is not as pricey, but y'all, it's so short. Listen at what I had to say in the dressing room. Like, I was really feeling this dress and I loved it. Like, I was gonna squeeze in it. I really was. But I'm really at this point in my life where I'm too grown to have my butt out on my birthday. This dress is gonna be too short. And I'm at a stage in my life where I'm too grown to have my ass out just because it's my birthday. I'm too grown to have my ass out, so this dress is too short. I'm too tall for this. Yeah. So let's go check out those two dresses and see what the price is, because mommy likes it. And the dresses that I got from Shein that have not came yet, I don't know. When they come, they're gonna have to go back. I am still waiting on my order from Shein. I don't know. What do you all think I should do for my birthday dress? Let me know. Thank you for watching. As usual, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Look at me. I don't know how to act. I get in these dressing rooms and just be doing anything. Bye, y'all.